Welcome to The Last Breakfast. Please enjoy the video.
Start by checking your Samsung model and Android version right now. Knowing the exact model helps choose a compatible app. Next, confirm your phone app and microphone work normally before installing any tools. Go to Settings, then Apps, and view permissions for microphone and phone. Grant overlay permission if the voice app requests it. Finally, disable battery optimization for the app to avoid shutdown during calls. These steps prevent interruptions and ensure the voice changer can run reliably during a call. Open the Play Store and install a trusted voice changer app with in-call support. Read reviews and check compatibility with your Android version before installing. After installation, open the app and follow its setup wizard step by step. Grant microphone, phone, and overlay permissions when prompted to enable live processing. Choose a voice effect such as low, high, robotic, or echo from the app menu. Toggle the option to start effects automatically when a call begins to simplify future use. Make a short test call to a willing contact to confirm the voice effect works. Speak naturally and ask the listener if the changed voice is clear and consistent. If the audio sounds off, return to the app and adjust intensity, pitch, or effect type during the call. Monitor battery and call quality as some effects increase CPU use and drop audio fidelity. When finished, revoke microphone and overlay permissions, or uninstall the app to restore your original calling setup immediately.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.